Hello students, welcome back to the maths class. Beta, in previous video we had started chapter simultaneous linear equation and we had covered two methods. First, substitution method we had done, and equating coefficient method we had done. Now today we are going to discuss cross multiplication method. The cross multiplication method is something different. So in cross multiplication method, first we write down the linear equation in the standard form, and we know that the standard form of the linear equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here it is simultaneous linear equation, and we can say pair of linear equations, so there will be two equations. First is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and second is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay, a1 is the coefficient of x, b1 is the coefficient of y, and c1 is constant term. a2 is the coefficient of x and second equation, b2 is the coefficient of y, and c2 is the constant term. Okay, so how to find by cross multiplication method? So first we write the variable x is equal to y upon is equal to constant, then 1 upon x. Then if x term, then we started with b1 b2 b1 b2 c1 c2 b1 b2, after that c1 c2, then second c1 c2, and then c1 c2, after that a1 a2, then a1 a2, after that a1 a2 b1 b2. So we start with b1 b2 and we add with b1 b2, and after that we will do the cross multiplication. Okay, we will do the cross multiplication. So it will be x upon b1 c2 minus c1 b1 c2, and sign between them will be minus b2 c1 is equal to y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 upon a1 b2 is equal to minus a2 b1. After that, for finding the value of x, we will equate x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to 1 upon. So it will be x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to, compare with 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now finding for the value of x, we will do the cross multiplication. So it will be x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is the value of x. This is the formula. Okay beta, for finding y, again we will compare with the last term, y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So the value of y will be c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay beta? Now this understand by example. Okay, so let's do the question number 1. Now let's do the question number 1 of exercise 6c. It is 4x plus 3y is equal to 17, and 3x minus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. So first we convert in standard form. So it will be 4x plus 3y minus 70 is equal to 0. 3x minus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. It is already in a standard form. After that, first we write down the value of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. What is the value of a1? In equation first, coefficient of x is 4, coefficient of y 3, constant term minus 17. In second equation, 3 minus 4 and c2 is 6. We will take the variable, we will take the coefficient with sign. Okay beta? Now by cross multiplication method, x upon what will be there? b1, b2, c1, c2 is equal to y upon c1, c2, a1, a2 is equal to 1 upon a1, a2, b1, b2. Okay beta? After that, put the value of b1, b2, c1, c2, x upon, what is the value of b1? 3, b2 minus 4, c1 minus 17, c2 6 is equal to y upon c1 minus 17, 6, a1, a2, a1 4, a2 3 is equal to 1 upon a1, a2 4, 3, b1, b2 3 minus 4. After that we will do the cross multiplication and sign between them minus. So it will be x upon 3 into 6 minus 17 into minus 4 is equal to y upon minus 17 into 3 and minus 6 into 4 is equal to 1 upon 4 into minus 4 minus 3 into minus 4. Okay beta? Now solve it. It will be x upon 3, 6, 18 minus plus 17 into 4, 68 is equal to y upon 17 into 3 minus 51 minus 6 4 ja 24 is equal to 1 upon 4 into 4 minus 16 minus 12. Okay, so it will be x upon 18 minus 68 minus 50 is equal to y upon minus plus 75 minus sign is equal to 1 upon minus 16 minus plus minus 16 plus 12. So it will be x upon minus 15 is equal to y upon minus 75 is equal to 1 upon plus minus 4 minus 4. Something wrong? 6 4 ja 24, 17 in 54, 4 4 ja minus 16 minus beta here 4 4 ja minus 4 and 3 into 3. It will be 3 into 3 is 9. So minus 9. So it will be minus plus minus 25. Okay. Now after that compare the x term with last term. X upon minus 15 is equal to 1 upon minus 25. So the value of x will be minus 50 upon minus 25. Minus minus cancel, 2. Value of x is 2. And then compare y upon minus 75 is equal to 1 upon minus 25. So y is equal to minus 75 upon minus 25. Minus minus cancel, 25 3s are. The value of y is equal to 3. So the value of x is 2 and value of y is 3. Okay beta? Let's do one more question. This is the last question for today. Question number 6. It is given 4x minus y is equal to 5 and 5y minus 4x is equal to 7. So first we write down in the standard form. So it will be 4x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0 and minus 4x plus 5y minus 7 is equal to 0. After that write down the value of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. a1 is 4, b1 minus 1, c1 minus 5, a2 minus 4, b2 5 and c2 minus 7. After that apply the formula x upon b1, b2, c1, c2, y upon c1, c2, a1, a2 is equal to 1 upon a1, a2, b1, b2. Okay, and after that put the values of a1, a2, b1, b2. X upon b1 is minus 1, b2 5, c1 minus 5, c2 minus 7, y upon c1 minus 5 minus 7, c2, a1 4 and this minus 4 is equal to 1 upon a1, a2 4 minus 4, b1, b2 minus 1 5 and after that do the cross multiplication. Minus x upon minus 7 into minus 1 minus 5 into 5 is equal to y upon minus 5 into minus 4 minus 7 into 4 is equal to 1 upon 4 into 5 minus 4 into 5 minus 1 into minus 4. Okay beta? Now solve it. X upon minus 7 into minus 1 minus plus 7 minus 5 into 5 minus 25 is equal to y upon minus plus 20 minus 7 4 minus 28 is equal to 1 upon 4 5 0 20 minus plus 20 minus 4. It will be x upon 7 plus 25 is equal to y upon 20 plus 28 is equal to 1 upon 20 minus 4, 16. So x upon 25 plus 7, 32 is equal to y upon 48 is equal to 1 upon 16. So x upon 32 is equal to, compare with 1 upon 16. So x is equal to 32 upon 16, 2. Value of x is 2. And y upon 48 is equal to 1 upon 16. So y is equal to 48 upon 16, 3. The value of y is 3. Okay beta. First we write in cross multiplication. First we write down in the standard form. After that we will write down the value of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, and after that we will apply the formula. And in the end we will get the value of x and y. So this is the cross multiplication method. Now you can try exercise 6a, 6b and 6d. Okay, you do the practice of exercise 6a, 6b and 6c, and in the next video we will discuss the word problems. Okay.